पळोवया खबरो विस्तारान. काँग्रेस पक्षांत पारदर्शकता आसा. कसले परिस्थितीक काँग्रेस पक्ष भिना. मात भाजप सरकारान ही पारदर्शकता ना. मुखेलमंत्र्याचेर जो उपचार चलता तो जनतेच्या पयशांचेर चलता. मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या भलायके बाबतींत भाजपान पारदर्शकता दाखोवची म्हण मागणी काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी चेल्ला कुमार हांणी केल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
We are always transparent. I can proudly say anywhere, in whatever, whether you made an allegation on Congress, yes, there also we are ready to come out with a very transparent way of giving an answer. How many times you have knocked the door of the governor? How many times, as a public representative, as a constructive opposition, 16 MLAs jointly went and requested the chief governor. How many times? Please bring out a bulletin of his health condition. Yes, of course, we have the right. Not only Congress party. Each and every individual citizen of the state has the right. Because he is not taking the treatment on his own pocket money. It is from the exchequer of the people of this Goa. It is the people's hard-earned tax-paid money. You are answerable. Mr. Prime Minister, are you in a position to give a transparent reply? First you give the reply, then you talk about the transparency. Now, again I am telling, last parliament, Rahulji has asked a straight question to him. What is the price of one aircraft, Rafale aircraft? It's a simple question. Won't you, if you people, anybody goes to the shop, buying anything, won't you ask us this question? It's a common question. We are not asking about how much money you have looted and where you have deposited the money or to whom you have handed over or where you have hidden that money of 1,72,000 crore rupees.